So here's a view of the newly built steps and landing. And is there enough clearance? Oh, I guess so. Right, there's ductwork here, but now on the other side there's plenty of clearance, so it's a little bit higher, which is nice.
Right.
And now we've got the 2x4s already around.
Right.
Everything's framed out.
New floor.
Oh, nice. Yeah, it's super smooth.
Yeah.
Oops, moved the wrong way.
Flat and level.
Okay. Yeah, this looks way different. Hello.
He took all of that out today.
Oh, wow. So where was this? In the bedroom that was down here?
Just all over the place up
Oh,
here.
in the roof.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Oh, this is cool. So up here we have the bathroom. Yeah, you're right. Plumbing work is done. So you got your tub, I guess toilet in the corner, and then sink next to that, and then a little bedroom over here. And is an egress window going to be put in?
Yes. Yeah, it's ordered.
Over there.
Yeah.
Perfect.
We were waiting for a little bit warmer weather to start cutting that window out.
So over here, and that's just a big closet.
Yeah.
Wow. It's like an office.
Well, I mean, we might as well use up the space.
Yeah, you gotta
usable.
kind of make it square. Okay, so then over here is sort of like a sitting area, and then you know, over here could be like a TV room or something. And then over here, you guys did the floor here too, or no? No, right? That's the original floor?
That's the original.
In this weird addition area under the kitchen. Okay, cool. And nothing else. Oh, they're working on the deck, or they did the deck already?
They're rebuilding the deck.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, great. Yeah, I got a video of that too, so we'll be able to see that update. How about the foundation over here? Did we do anything on that?
We haven't yet, no.
Okay.